Hello! So, medyo matagal na bago nasundan uli yung daily learnings ko na video, yung nag-iisa. Kung hindi nyo pa yung napanood, maybe you can check it out. And if you will notice, TFTD na yung nasa title and it stands for Thought for the Day. I think mas appropriate yung title na yun kasi hindi ko pa naman kaya yung daily uploads and daily learnings just doesn't make sense to me that much. Kaya pinalitan ko siya. Ang aim ko with Thought for the Day is exactly that. Bibigyan ko kayo ng advice or thought to ponder upon sa isang araw. Hindi man siya araw-araw, pero at least for that day, kung mapanood nyo tong video na to, then meron kayong baon for the week or for the next days or even for your life. I hope na may matulungan ako sa mga i-share ko. Hindi ko napapahabain pa. And for this video, I want to share to you an advice about the influences that you let in your life. I had this in mind particularly because of the bad influences that we can have in life. Kasi if you don't watch out for these in your life, it can ruin your life and even destroy it in the long run. You've probably heard of the verse sa Bible that says, bad company corrupts good character. Tama. I'm 90% sure na meron kang kilala kahit isang tao lang na kilala niya naman siya na mabuting tao, tapos biglang he or she hanged out with a different set of friends, yung bad influences, and then eventually nakita mo na lang sila na napariwara na rin yung buhay nila or alam mo yun, something bad happened to them. And it was because of the company they kept. I want you to realize that the friends that we keep determine the course of our lives. Sa dami ng trainings na na-attendan ko na before, lagi nilang binabanggit yung sinabi ni Jim Rohn, an international motivational speaker. He said that we are the average of the 5 people that we spend the most time with. So, pwedeng family mo yun, or friends mo, schoolmates mo, workmates mo, or kung sino man sila. And tayo daw yung nagiging resulta ng mga tao na yun. Nagiging mash up tayo ng mga personality nila, behaviors, character, and etc. Even social media influencers that we do not know personally or haven't even met yet, pero if we are consuming their content for hours on end, we will just find ourselves, di ba? Na parang, parang masaya yun. Parang gusto ko rin gawin yung bagay na yun. Parang gusto ko magkaroon ng ganito, gusto kong pumunta sa ganito, gusto kong ma-experience yung ganito. Just because we see that person and happy tayo na napapanood natin sila and we also dream of that life. So, we try to be like them somehow, in some way. Hindi man natin napapansin yun or hindi man tayo aware. But it happens. So, evaluate the friendships that you have right now. Good ba yung relationships na meron ka? Nakakatulong ba sila sa life mo? Natutulungan ka ba nila maging successful, maging in control of your finances, of your relationships? Or yung mga tao ba na to yung nag-i-encourage sa'yo na mag-mess around? You know, get into vices, manigarilyo, drugs, uminom, or what, kung ano man. I don't know. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo naman dapat ginagawa yung mga bagay na yun. But, you had no choice kasi sila na yung company na meron ka and na-influensyahan ka na nila to be in that position. So kapatid, be careful with the people that you surround yourself with. Kasi what I learned from my high school days, if you will not stand up and live up to the values na in-instill sa'yo ng magulang mo, kapag hindi natin sinunod yung mga yon and we hung out with the wrong set of friends, these people will sway us and influence us to do things that we will later regret in life. So kung ikaw yun ngayon, hindi pa huli ang lahat. You can still change friends, you know, change the company you hang out with, or find a new group of people na parang gusto ko maging ganito or gusto ko ma-develop yung gantong skill or yung gantong habit. Then, go with people na ganon, na makakatulong sa life mo instead na alam mo nang nahihirapan ka na sa buhay mo, diba? Tapos dumadagdag po sila. So, walang benefit doon. And life's too short to spend it with the wrong type of people. I hope this video or the things that I said made sense to you. And if you have anything to say, feel free to chat them down sa comment box below. And I will happily have a conversation with you regarding this topic. You can share it personally to your friends or to your families that you care about, and you know that they're hanging out with the different kind of, the wrong kind of people. So, yun lang. Bye!